Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 best handheld diamond core drill. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Dursip D53591. Specifications. Brand name, Dursip. Drill type, mini drill. Model number, D53591. Material, plastic and metal. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Power, 2600 watts. No load speed, 1800 revolutions per minute. Maximum brick hole, 280 millimeters. The item number 2 is Vivor 1500 watts Rotary Hammer. Specifications. Brand name, Vivor. Rated input power, 1500 watts. Frequency, 50 Hz. Weight, 14 pounds/6.3 kilograms. Model number, VVRHD 1500K6. Wattage, 1500 watts to 1999 watts. Idle speed, 800 R per minute. Motor EU, 1500 watts, 6.5A, 220 volts, 50 HC. Motor US, 1500 watts, 13A, 110 volts, 50 HC. Speed, 850 R per minute and 4200 BPM. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Vivor's SD180. Specifications. Brand name, Vivor. Frequency, 50/60th of a Hertz. Model number, ZIS SD180. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Power source, AC. Rated power, 2180 watts, 1880 watts. Power supply, 110 volts. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.